Lobster roll service.
Okay, one more classic.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Service, please.
So we are in Knightsbridge, the Mayfair Chippy Knightsbridge, 130 at Brompton Road. So we do amazing fish and chips. We are known for that, but also we do other British classic.
Mayfair Chippy started in 2015, and we looked at the market in London. There was no one really doing like an elevated fish and chip shop. So we thought there's definitely a gap in the market for this concept. And we just think it doesn't get enough credit. It's our national dish, fish and chips. Everyone likes it, you know, it's fish and chips.
Fish, dry coated with the flour, dabbed through so all the excess flour drops. And then we have our batter dipped and then goes back in the fryer. Now our sauce, our tartar sauce, is our house mix with the gherkins, shallot, capers, parsley, dill, and then in goes our mushy peas, marifat peas, soaked at least 8 hours overnight, and then slow cooked, and then our classic curry sauce. So we have our fish. Can you get your section ready, guys, with the lobster?
Lobster roll?
Yeah. So our fish gets finished with the molten sea salt. There we go. Then lemon wedge. Service. So the owners, they are northerners, but also my missus' dad, he's also from back north. When I speak with him, he tells me all about this little magic that he grew up with fish and chips, like standing next to the stall, getting the little scraps that, you know, back in the days they couldn't afford fish and chips. This is what they used to get from time to time after school. I fell in love with that story, so I wanted to have a good career. I think I got more inspired because of the stories I heard from my father-in-law as well as from Pete, and it has engraved on my DNA, I think. We have our squid. It's dressed in an Asian soya dipping that also goes with sesame seed squid, as well as our Asian garnishes and the seasoning. The coriander, chili, scallion. We prep everything fresh just before the service. It has a twist of Asian spices with the garnishes, with the herbs. And also, it's very, very popular amongst our clients.
Service, please. Just cut it on the side. Yeah.
We are going to put in the plancha to get nice Maillard reaction, the color coming from the sweetness of the brioche, and also the butter, the fat is going to help get the color. So we have our shredded gem lettuce over here. We will season with the lemon water, a little bit of salt, and then dress it through. Then in goes inside our lobster roll, and then we have our lobster roll mix. So we have a good chunk of lobster roll mix right here. So the lobster roll mix has Mary Rose sauce, which is our cocktail sauce, as well as the lobster meat and also the crayfish, just to give it a good, nice softness and texture on the food itself. And then we have our crispy capers, deep fried with corn flour to make it extra crispy. That goes on the top. And then to finish it with the chives, sliced gherkin, and the charred lemon to go on the side. Finishing touches on it. So we have the whole dish that goes here on the side, just like so. Do you have the chips down, guys? And then we have our garlic mayo dressing. Let's finish with a little bit of chives to go slightly here. Chips, guys, how long? We have olive oil. Freshen it up. And then our Mary's Piper potato chips. Okay, it gets stacked up. Just like so, gets finished here, and then in goes for the service. Lobster roll service.
Okay, Sanjay, new orders. One classic in, please, with haddock. Okay, new check-in. One more fish plate, one more chips cup. So all day 6 fish from your side, please. Thank you, chef. One more classic.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. How long for tomato salad?
Coming in 30 seconds, chef.
Okay, new check-in. One prawn toast and one Scotch egg, please.
Yes, chef.
Thank you.
As the prawn toast mix inside, and then it's breaded with black onion seeds and Japanese panko, and then it gets color on both sides. Then it goes inside the oven for about 5 to 6 minutes to finish. So while the prawn toast is being made, we have our sriracha mayo sauce to go along here, and then we have our lime wedge, extra black onion seeds, a little bit of salt, and finally chopped chives. We are going to finish again with some black onion seeds, as well as some chives, and olive oil to finish. And then it finishes. One more lobster roll, one classic. All day, two classic. Both of them haddock, one with gravy, one lobster roll, please. After the Scotch egg is fried, it goes inside the oven for another 4 to 5 minutes. We have our mild curry mayo to go along with some chives, lemon wedge, and also a garnish to complete. Then our Scotch eggs, beautiful Scotch eggs, more seasoning inside. And chives to finish.
Service. Thank you, chef. Service. Crispy fish, please. Service, please.
Fish and chips for me is one of these dishes where you can either do it really well or really bad. It's all about quality of ingredients. The best potatoes, we use mainly Maris Pipers.
You have fish ready, Sanjay.
We spent a lot of time sourcing the best Atlantic cod and haddock.
Service, please.
But we don't just do fish and chips, we do like lobster rolls, we do prawn toast, kedgeree Scotch eggs, oysters, crab. But fish and chips is the showpiece of the restaurant.